Hey everybody, John from PSI here, PSI Tack House. I'm underneath Project Christina Patina. This is our 90 OBS LT powered 4L80E transmission farm truck. And the reason I'm here today to talk to you under the truck is we have a new product. Not a huge new harness. It's not our Holly harness. It's not the next harness we're doing, which I'm going to keep under wraps. But this is more of a small harness and kit that we offer. It's kit 1013. And what this is for your reverse lights and your neutral safety. So you might be asking yourself, like, John, why would I even need this? Like, I don't understand. Why isn't that part of the standard harness? Well, that's a great question. The standard harnesses that we offer now and that we've offered for the last 20 years, typically 95% of customers do not need this product. The wiring that we provide you, you're going to use your stock neutral safety switch in your vehicle application with your stock shifter, or in some cases, aftermarket shifters come with the neutral safety switch. However, there are a small amount of aftermarket shifters or custom applications where you would need this kit. And rather than go out and try to source the connector, source the terminals, the seals, the plugs for the cavities you're not using, a relay block, TXL wire, loom, all of those things, we just give you a nice simple kit. Pretty affordable, comes with instructions, tells you how to hook it up. It's really just a simple 3-wire hookup. It's your pink wire, your gray wire, and your green wire. One wire is going to go to ground, one wire is going to provide ground for your neutral safety switch, and one wire is going to provide ground for your reverse light relay. Also comes with a pre-wired relay. So you're going to put constant power, you're going to have ground, and then you're going to have the wire in and then a wire out. We give you more than enough wire, about 6-7 feet of it, so you can plug this into a factory GM 4L60E or 4L80E MLPS neutral safety switch, which is on the side of the transmission. If you don't have that switch, because a lot of times they are broken, we can provide it to you. So to kind of recap, reverse light's very simple. Obviously, you're going to trigger the output to the reverse lights. That way, when you put the shifter in reverse, which the connector is pre-wired for, it's going to turn on the reverse lights. The neutral safety is a little bit different because obviously you don't want this thing to start in anything but park or neutral. So what the MLPS is going to do is provide you the ground when it's in park or neutral. So when you turn the key, it'll only crank in those two positions. Here, I'm going to show you how to install this on the transmission because it is a cam lock style connector. Might be a little bit confusing to some people, but note on this truck, I'm not using this product. As I stated earlier, if you're using a factory shifter in many applications, you don't need this. Hence the reason why we don't include it in our harness. In this particular application, I'm using a factory shifter. My stock neutral safety switch works. My reverse lights work. There's no need for this product. However, like I said, the 5% of applications out there where you're doing custom stuff or using an aftermarket floor shifter, it's absolutely an awesome plug and play product. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. And remember, wired up, fired up.